Previously on PlaneSavers.
Do you think Jay can get that rudder on today?
Nah.
Trouble. And Jay, so this is still tonight, but this will be tomorrow's beginning of the episode. What did we learn tonight, the late night shift?
Well, just some of the sheet metal stuff. I mean, all the sheet metal work was good, but when you put pieces from different airplanes together, sometimes things don't line up. So having a hard time just getting the rudder post to sit properly on its hinge points. And you want that to be precise. The rudder post sits on this bearing. This is the lowest part of the bearing surface. So this mounts like that. So the rudder right now wants to come in and hit this bearing versus get up on top of it. And we want the rudder to be on top of it so that it pivots easily top and bottom. And right now there's a bit of a bind, so we're in a bind. Tomorrow morning we'll be out of the bind and hopefully have a green tail.
So folks, and this is why Jay's here, this is, you know, we're splitting hairs to be absolutely perfect. You could just throw the rudder on, but it wouldn't be fair, honestly, to have all that hard work and to have a problem. So yeah, Jay spent some extra time here. We are 8:30. That clock is a little bit off, but it's home time, and we'll be seeing you bright-eyed and bushy-tailed for Saturday. Stella's got some new volunteers showing up.
Oh yeah, I just called one guy. I'm already greeting him right now. He's gonna be here tomorrow. His name is Donald. And Donald, your reaction on the phone when I called you was just amazing.
Okay, Donald, we'll see you tomorrow. And yeah, so you guys have a good night, and we'll be seeing you in... Oh, did that work? Yeah, we're about 14 hours in the future, and today is May 11th, 2019, and this is episode 130 of PlaneSavers. As you can see, Jay has not left this tail. He's been here for the last 14 hours.
See, Mike tied me to it. I couldn't leave. He brought me a coffee and a donut this morning and said, get at it.
Oh man, so Jay has been working really hard on making sure this rudder goes good, and he wants to show you guys just what he got accomplished.
So we're mounted now. Last night when we left, we had a problem with the bottom hinge actually hitting. Now we're pivoting well. Bolts have no tension on them, so the rudder will swing free and clear. So a couple of 1, 2, 3 cotter pins, and we'll get some manpower and install the rudder.
Great job by Jay to get that all done. And oh geez, tripping over stuff, but yeah, I can't wait to get this rudder on. It's going to be awesome. What's the Super Crew working on?
The voltmeter, like this is a new one. We did not have a connector on the other one, and there's no nothing, so we have to figure out which pin do what, if it's for the amp meter or the voltmeter.
Saturday mystery?
Yeah.
Number 1. Episode 1.
Here's the drum that we talked about yesterday.
Jay, did we discover another setback?
Fortunately, the drum that runs the rudder trim, if anybody has ever had an open face fishing reel and you tried to cast it as a kid or a novice and didn't hold your thumb in the right spot and the backlash turned into a rat's nest like that times 10, that's what we got.
How far is this putting us back?
Well, I'm a little leery to give a time frame. Or we might do another to be continued tonight.
Zero pressure.
Good, tu tiens?
C'est bon, ouais. Vas-y. Yes, well done.
Gonna check back. It's telling us something, but obviously it's not even plugged. So.
Oh, there's a problem?
Yeah, small one.
What's wrong?
It won't go to zero. It was at 0 first, but now I'll have to check the wire in the cockpit because otherwise it will be the second time it's doing this. So I'll check back with you later.
Don't want to be a spoiler.
Spoilers. Bobby, what's happening?
I think they're gonna mount the big green monster there. So let's see what happens. Okay, where do you want me?
Hey, Uncle Bobby. How are you today?
It's Wilson. Hi, Wilson.
We missed you yesterday, Ollie.
I had to pay the bills, buddy.
Okay, let's mount the rudder.
Can you tell it's Jay's last day?
Is it?
Yeah.
Buddy, you're going?
He's going crazy.
They voted me off the island.
Well, better get on this. Otherwise, we'll be rudderless.
Okay.
Benoit, we need Benoit.
Benoit to the rescue.
Wow. You're a foot higher than that.
You gotta let some tension off.
I think so.
It's gonna look very buffalo-ish.
Donald, good first day?
Excellent first day, Mikey. Great to be here.
Put the wings back on. Buffalo Joe will come to Montreal. The volunteers will get what they've been working for. Mikey, keep your foot on the accelerator. We need another episode of PlaneSavers.
Look at how nice it moves.
Oh my lordy.
No slack.
So folks, after a long couple nights, rudder's on. They still have to rig it, but at least the rudder's on. So Jay, how was your last 2 weeks?
It was great, just great. Lots of good laughs, met a lot of nice people, ate a lot of great food. Probably too many of the pastry in the pastry department, but it was good. And we brought the airplane that much closer to flight. You know, Stella's doing a great job with the paint. She's changed the whole face of the airplane. And now that we have engines on and running and the gear done, at least we got the rudder on. I was hoping to get the elevators on before I left, but Trent can do that. Trent and Ronnie. So it's been good. Glad to be able to help out and be part of the project.
I know you've taught a lot of people a lot of things. Is there anything that you personally learned?
Well, you learn that you still know how to do things. I mean, it's been a while since I put a rudder post back in on a DC-3, so it takes a while to get your brain back in gear.
Well, a while, Zach, is exactly 3 days, but but who's counting? No, just joking. I know that part of the thing with Jay's here, Jay's kind of like a mentor. So it's not just like one person, one job. Jay's running around helping people the whole time, the whole mess around. So it's a huge organism, dealing with this many people, and not necessarily like different skill levels.
Yeah, you have to pick the people that can do the jobs unattended and the ones that need assistance, and then try and keep in the back of your mind when you're going to run back to the cockpit to help out somebody you've left there to do a job. So that's been fun too, to work with the students, and there's a lot of eager students from the school that are wanting to learn the airplane and do jobs. Some of them might not like some of the lockwire jobs they got, but they learn from that too.
Right on. And any final words for everybody?
Well, just keep up the support on YouTube. It's we're really trying in Thunder Bay to spread the word in as far across the country and down into the States as we can. So keep watching, keep spreading the word. Let's get it up to 40,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah,
the 6th.
And what do you think? Should we keep her green?
I think you should keep it green. Got to have a hint of Buffalo Airways in there.
There you go. So that's Jay's last call. Keep her green. So we're gonna keep it green. And surprise, Jay's actually gonna be here for a little bit in the morning before he flies out. And yeah, so awesome. Jay?
Thank you.
Thank you. So what's the end of the voltmeter?
Yeah, well, unfortunately we put the voltmeter wires on the amp meter and the amp meter wires on the voltmeter, so we just explode this freaking voltmeter.
Honest mistake. Let's call Rod and we'll get another one.
Thank you, Rod. Thank you, Rod. Don't know you, but you probably don't want to know me.
I wouldn't stand underneath though.
What'd you find in there, Stella?
A disgusting old wasp nest with like 10,000 dead wasps. There it comes. Watch out!
Oh! Wasps everywhere!
There's more coming. Here.
Ah!
Oh!
So everybody, that's a perfect example. Even though the airplane's looking amazing and we've been doing some amazing things the last couple weeks, there's still a long ways to go, and we are by no means out of the clear yet. In fact, we're still maybe even a little bit doubting ourselves a bit with some stuff. So it's very important. Jay did amazing while he was here. We got Trent coming, Jean-Francois Barriere, our old buddy, ex-Buffalo guy, and now where's Jean-Francois working now? Bombardier?
No, I think he's working on Basler DC-3.
Basler DC-3.
Or Expedition Explorer or something.
All right. Well, we'll know more later. And yeah, so we got lots to do, folks. We're still fighting the good fight. And if you made it this far in the video, I'd like to thank you. You know, my Saturday videos are a little bit different. Tomorrow, Sunday, we're going to do a live stream, which is going to be around 2 p.m. Montreal time, which is noon Yellowknife time, and some other times in other places. So check out, yeah, thanks for joining us. Thanks for having me in your home, on your laptop, on your phone, TV, wherever you watch PlaneSavers. Thank you so much. We're working hard to entertain and to inspire you to do projects like this for yourself. So have fun, be safe, and we'll be seeing you on the live stream tomorrow.